Hello and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I am at the 17th International Jawa Day, and this is happening at St. Joseph School at Vittumalya Road, and the energy here is infectious, and that's the energy which I'm carrying right now. I'm gonna show you how exactly the crowd looks like and some amazing bikes, and let's get inside this venue and have a lot of fun. And let's get into the venue now. I'm gonna put a link on the top here. You can check out the last year's event if you haven't seen, and compare that with this year's event. It's a total makeover. This year it looks so awesome, and there are so many new additions to this. And for a change, you have Jeep guys also joining to celebrate ST Java Day, and I believe they're one of the sponsors. And look at that crowd. Look at the number of bikes that you can see. Here we are for some technical expertise that you can own or ride skills, and people are gonna do the track and do the 8 here, and then go through that off-road patch there and then finish. Yes. So this year you have a lot of stalls doing a lot of different things, selling merchandise, stickers. So they're building a Java completely from the scratch. So they've almost done most of it. This is the one. There are 2 people, I just need 2. I need somebody who's strong, confident. Today we are at the 17th International Java Day in Bangalore, and want to introduce one of our special guests today here, Dr. Ravi Prakash, the founder of FHVI, and all of us know we had a beautiful show recently at UB City, and I'm allowed Doctor to talk a little bit more. So with the new regulations coming in, what do you have to say about these vintage bikes continuing?
The Federation of Historic Vehicles of India is doing all its efforts to get to see that all the historic vehicle owners, no matter whether it is cars, bikes or any kind of a historic vehicle, everybody will be in safe hands. In fact, we have moved the papers almost a year back because of the elections and things like that. The things have been a little delayed. But we will see to it, and the government has also already promised us that all the historic vehicles will be treasured, and whether it's a two-stroke engine or a four-stroke engine, they will all be treasured, and they will all have a special permit or a special registration, so that there is no need for any pollution check, or there is no need for any fitness certificate, even if the ownerships are deemed out. But if somebody has owned already the vehicle for over a year, we can have the registration regularized. But at the end of the day, I can promise all the historic vehicle owners would be proud to own their vehicle. That's the Federation's job.
Your name, sir?
Hi, I'm Karyappa.
Karyappa.
I belong from the family and they call me Leven.
Okay.
So this is my 1970 Czechoslovakian twin with a Penalka Doom. This is a Penalka Doom and Istanbul meter. The specialty is, the meter reads from, right to left.
Okay.
And this has a clip-on pad. Generally, Java bikes come with a chrome tank.
Correct.
But this is a clip-on pad. It's a twin engine. It's a twin round bore engine,
okay.
And it has white wall rims. Tires have white wall rims.
And these are original tires?
These are not original, but these are the rubber pads basically.
Okay.
This directly from Czechoslovakia, and this is a British tax card holder. So nowadays we don't use tax card holder. So just to identify as a Kurgi, I just put my as an identity.
Yes.
So this is a 1970s bike.
So what you see currently is the only one in the country which is in full functional condition, and it is an automatic. It is clutchless, yes, but you have gears. And this is what I meant. You don't have a clutch, but have a gear lever, yes, and it is automatic. And this is the only one in the country, guys. So that is the importance of this bike. And the best part, it is completely functioning. It's not something like only display model. It works. And the man there is the owner of that machine. Hi. So how long you own this automatic machine?
This is my fourth year. 4 years ago.
So, who was the first owner?
It was an import.
Okay.
So I'll be the first owner to build this here. Because
Wow.
bits and pieces we got it.
Wow.
And we restored it in India.
Wow.
Proud to say there's one and only running in India currently. So will know me by Jawa Shashi.
Jawa Shashi, that's what he's known as.
I'll show you one more bike.
Yes. So I have another bike that Shashi wants to show us.
That's a 250 twin.
Okay.
One of 350 twins.
Yes.
This is a 250 twin.
You have a 250 twin again. Guys, this is stunning, and appreciate the love of people who have patience and also the talent to get it restored and also make it up and running even in today's condition. That's something which you need to appreciate. Guys, I have another bike which I'm going to talk about. If you think this was just another bike, no. I have Vinod here, proud owner of this bike, and who's going to explain
why this bike is different from the other. And let's talk to Vinod. Yes, Vinod.
Hi all.
Hi.
Have here an Oil King.
Okay.
So Road King is quite famous. This is built on the same platform of Road King.
Okay.
So it's called the Oil King.
Okay. Oil King. So was it found in Dubai? Sorry, that was a bad joke.
Unfortunately, no.
Okay.
So this thing even before the Road King. So the reason it's called Oil King is because it has the auto lube technology implemented in this. So if you see, the oil actually is in this container here, and it gets pumped through this pipe and gets into the pump here, and then gets into the carburetor.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
So that's something different about.
Okay, that's so good, Vinod. Thanks for showcasing this beauty and telling me what that is all about.
Sure.
Thank you.
Welcome.
My pleasure.